Hey guys, just a quick modification to this, the last video that I did. I'm gonna delete that one, and I'm going to put a link to my GoFundMe for disaster relief to Central Florida. I think it's United Way, Central Florida disaster relief. Please, if you can even give $1, it helps. You know, I'm probably gonna put 500 bucks in there. My goal is to reach 10,000, and I really hope that you guys get in there and do it, because there's some serious stuff going on. I got friends that have messaged me with some real serious stuff, and that's just with the tornadoes, and the hurricane hasn't even reached land yet. So please, I'm going to put the link in the description. Please go on my GoFundMe and at least give something, okay? I appreciate it, guys. Hey guys, one little quick lesson here. So, you know, I've been talking about the hurricanes going on in Florida and stuff, and what a lot of you don't know about me is I'm not only an HVAC contractor, but I've also been a weather enthusiast for quite a while, so I know quite a bit about the weather. And you know, when these hurricanes come in, you know, to the coastline somewhere, typically people only think about the immediate impacts. You know, the hurricane hitting the shore with the winds, the storm surge, and all that. But you know, one of the biggest killers from these hurricanes is you know, the heavy rainfall that happens inland, the flooding. People don't take it as serious. You know, people in North Carolina from the last hurricane can attest to that. Another one that is lost on people is, you know, that hurricane's still a few hours from getting on shore, and there's been a huge tornado outbreak there that probably took a lot of people by surprise. And very often with hurricanes, the tornadoes preclude, you know, the effects of the hurricane. So just a word of warning, I wanted to chime in on that real quick, you know, because feel free to reach out to me, and I know a lot of people in the weather community as well that can help you with learning how these things work and how different systems work meteorologically, if I can say that word. So I have a vast community of people that can help answer questions about that if you have any. And I just want to throw that out there because it's a passion of mine, and you know, God bless everybody down there in Florida, but you know, a lot of people evacuated the coastline, you know, to get away from the hurricane, and the storm surge from it are getting inundated with tornadoes. You know, they were getting inundated with tornadoes this afternoon, and man, it's horrible. You know, they got away from one problem, went to another. So, you know, I think our forecast modeling on that type of stuff isn't the best. You know, I think as early as recent as yesterday, they were saying that the tornado threat with this hurricane wasn't going to be that bad. Instead, they've had some of the worst tornadoes that they've ever had in Florida. One of the worst tornado outbreaks they've ever had. So, a word of warning, just to, you know, people mainly in the southeast where these hurricanes happen. You know, look at the big picture. And sometimes it's not safe to just move 20 miles away from the coastline to be safe on these. So just wanted to reiterate that. You know, I'm not a meteorologist, but I am very knowledgeable on the subject. I've been studying it since I was a little kid. We used to take the weather section out of the newspaper and tape it on the wall. That's how weird we were. I love snowstorms. I love thunderstorms. I love the you know, nature and what it can do, but I also don't like all the casualties. And I heard that there were some pretty serious ones in Florida today from the tornadoes. Just heard about it a little while ago. So feel free to reach out on that if you want to. Again, our prayers go out to those people over there, and let's hope that there's not any more loss of life. Thanks, guys.